One of the oldest of the arts is the art of movement, dance. It flourishes everywhere. Its origins are rooted in the prehistoric past. For long before dance grew to be a complex art, early men took pleasure in swaying, turning, stepping, and stamping rhythmically. Aware of the movement of the powerful forces of nature, early men moved in ways he hoped could appease those forces or give him power over them. There were dances to bring rain, dances to celebrate the harvest, dances of birth, puberty, marriage, and death.